This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WXL 51 listening area of Northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
Wait.
Conditions around the area. During periods of potentially warning alarms. During periods of potentially severe listening hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service. These receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between severe weather and Wednesday. The test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The phone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. LaGrange, Star, Marshall, Coveyasco, Noble, DeKalb, Woodley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Addison, Grant, Bradford, Glasgow, Defiance, Henry, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Spalding, and Van Wert. In Michigan, Berion. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on Know All of the Review under local information. The current time is 11:33.